Hi everyone, welcome back to Jensen DIY. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you watching. Today we're going to look at a slow draining sink, okay? And I can tell you the most common cause of a slow draining bathroom sink is hair, okay? 95% of the time when I went to a service call for a slow draining bathroom sink or lab basin, that was the cause. Hair beneath that plug. And I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. So let's have a look. Just draining away slowly, and I'll bet you anything that you've got the pull up, which is right here, the pop up it's called, where you pull on this lever to close this off and you push down on this lever to open it up. Okay, so down underneath you've got your P-trap, and then you're cold with the shut off, you're hot with the shut off, and then right here is your pop-up mechanism. So this is the lever here that you pull on when you're pulling up and down from the top, okay? Just like that, okay? So right here is where that block is. So because we have water in the sink, we want to take a container of some sort and put it down under here, because when we undo this, water's going to come out of there, okay? Sometimes you can get this by hand or use a pair of channel lock pliers. Water pump pliers. Okay, so we just want to undo that. I'm going to put my gloves on here. Now we're just going to undo this and try and get this so it doesn't make a mess. Some shop towels ready. Just going to undo that. Let that water come out of there. It's just going to drain out what's in the sink. So make sure you have a big enough container to hold that water. Some of it will go down the drain. Okay, so then you want to pull that out of there. Just let that hang down. Okay, so now that water is drained away. Now we got to get this out. Normally you would be able to push that up and down with the pop-up lever back here, right? But that's just loose now. Okay, so we want to take a screwdriver that's short enough to get in here, and then you just want to push up and look up top so that you can grab that. Okay, take the screwdriver out below, and there you go. That's hair on there blocking this right where that lever went through to activate this up and down. That hair goes down there and it can't get by, and it gets caught all around. So anyways, all you want to do is clean that off. You can go rinse it out in another sink or in your tub if you want. And then when you put it back in, you line up that hole. Some of these are going to look different than others, but it's, you know, the same principle. There's a hole in the stopper here. So you want to have that facing towards the back where that part goes through. Okay? So then we're just going to place that back down in. Try and show you what that looks like there. So that's what that looks like. And inside there is the hole at the bottom of that stopper that I just showed you. Okay. We take this part here again and put that back through. Okay. Now you want to make sure that you're going to get it through that hole. So you might have to wiggle it around a little bit. Just put that back in. Do this up. Hand tight. If you feel like you need to use your pliers to do it up, then give it a little snug, but you should be able to just do it up hand tight. You don't want to do it too tight or it'll be too stiff. So that's nice there. If you do this up too tight, this becomes very hard to move. Okay, so here's your lever, up and down. Looks like it's working really well. Okay, so once you've done that, then it's just a matter of cleaning out this debris, and then you want to pull that plug, turn your water on, turn that off, okay, and then we want to just see how it goes. That's draining away much better than it did before, a lot better. I hope this video helped you. If it did and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider it. Thanks a lot for watching.